What's up, YouTube? This is the Octane Militia here. Just got my new set of 32-inch MAXXIS Carnivores. The actual full size of them, as you see, 32 by 10 with a 14-inch rim. HDI 5 bead locks with a red ring. I'm going to do a full review on these tires. We're going to go over weight, ground clearance, tread, compared to the stocks that came off, possible clutching, things of that nature. There's not very many reviews on the MAXXIS Carnivore on YouTube, so we're going to do an in-depth review so people can see what they can expect when they get these right out of the box. They've never been bolted on, just got them in today. So let's get right into the review. Alright, first things first, let's go over tread pattern. This is definitely one of the most aggressive treads you can get on the market as far as a being a DOT approved street tire and you know, just all around trail. Probably do pretty okay in the mud. It's definitely not like a silverback or anything like that, but the once you get up close in here, you can see that the tread is definitely very, very deep, rugged, and overall just an absolute dynamite traction tire with still maintaining a solid flat profile when you're going down the road. I think these tires are going to be really good up here where we ride in the Pacific Northwest. I'm excited to get them out on the trail. I've heard reviews saying that they're great at rocks, they're great at mud, they're just great around at everything, and they don't wear overall very fast whatsoever. These tires mixed with a beadlock wheel should pretty much be exactly what I need up here in the Northwest. Let's stand it up real quick. Sorry about that. Get a better sight on what the overall tread looks like and the pattern when you're looking straight up down on them. Should be pretty good to go. Let's go do a side-by-side comparison, and then we're going to get into weight. Alright, part 3, side-by-side comparison. What came off, what's going on. On the left here, we've got the traditional MAXXIS Bighorn 2.0 that came stock on the Maverick. It's a this tire still has a ton of tread left. I only used them for, I think it was 40 hours is all that this tire was ever used for. Still has a lot of tread left, but what I'm looking to get at is the overall change and size difference between what came off and what went on. You know, going from a 27 to a 32 is obviously a big step up. So here's a side-by-side comparison. And let's see if I can figure this out here. Back them up and set one down for you. Give me just a second. Sorry. And there's the old sitting next to the new. Had to switch it out because the Carnivore doesn't come in a 12 bead lock yet, so I swapped it out and went with the rim combo just to make it pop a little bit more, but you can see it's substantially different size here. Let's get into the weight. Alright, scale time. What do we got here? Looking at, I got my hand keeping it stable, so we're looking at about a 53, 52 pound, that's rim tire combo on the scale here with the MAXXIS. Alright, here we go with the original front tire off the Maverick. Comes in at about 32 pounds. Now that's the front tire off my 2014 Maverick. Obviously you guys, most of the Polaris guys and the new Can-Ams are running the 29s. This is only a 27. Let's see, It's a 27 by 9 by 12, and it's a 32 pounds. So you're roughly looking at a 20-pound increase at the most dramatic change. Obviously, the rear tires for the Maverick are a lot thicker and wider and bigger, so that'll be a difference of a lesser amount. But the 32-inch Carnivore coming in a rim and tire package at 52 pounds. I think they say that they're 38 pounds, just the rubber, which is really not that heavy for a 32-inch all-terrain tire. But there's the scale test for you guys. Now we're going to go ahead and get some measurements with the machine and the stocks clearance, and then this machine with the brand new Carnivores. Remember, this also has a 3-inch Super ATV lift on it. Let's get these measurements. I gotta move the machine off a lift. Just doing a quick before and after of the Maverick. These are running on 27-inch Bighorns, 3-inch Super ATV bracket lift. Installed the lift about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Took it on one trail and was extremely happy with the way it handled, but everyone said it looked like a guy that goes to the gym and doesn't do leg day because the tires are so small. But that's why we're here to change that, right? So just doing a quick before and after. Painted my front bumper to match the bronze beadlocks I got. I still got a little red accent to do to match it out, but just doing a quick before and after. Let's measure the ground clearance now and then later. Alright, ground clearance stock to the bottom of the bumper, sitting right around, I'd say 14 and a quarter, 14 and a half, somewhere around there. Give you the same measurement here when we get the new ones installed. Alright, we're back. Rims and tires are all installed. And we're sitting at about right around 18 and a quarter. So that's a pretty dramatic difference here. Looking at about 4 inches or so, I guess I would say. I'm trying to remember exactly what the other measurement was. I'll make sure I'll see it when we do the review. But let me take back, give it a look. Much dramatic lift increase on this whole rig here. I'm about to take it for a drive and see exactly how much power loss we had, because we're gonna have to go over clutching setups, see what kind of money we're actually gonna have to spend to get this thing to drive and perform the way we want it to. But I mean, the look is absolutely outstanding. It looks like it would fucking go anywhere. Sorry about the swearing, sailor. It's hard. But either way, it's definitely a monster now. Complete and total monster. Tires made a huge, huge difference. Let's go take her out for a little stroll and see exactly how she came out.